Do you have abdominal discomfort and bloating? Do you suffer from trouble sleeping at night? Then you have come to right video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about some healthy things about the little kiwis. First off, did you know that kiwis are packed with more vitamin C than oranges? That's right, these fuzzy little fruits are like the superhero version of oranges. It really boosts our immune system, which is especially important during these times when we're all trying to stay healthy and avoid getting sick. But that's not all. Kiwi contains an enzyme called actinidin that can help break down proteins and improve digestion. So if you're feeling a little bloated after a big meal, reach for a kiwi instead of the antacids. And let's not forget, kiwis are also heart healthy. They contain potassium, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. But wait, there's more. They're high in serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate your sleep cycle. So if you're having trouble sleeping, try snacking on a kiwi before bed. And to my surprise, kiwi fruit is one of the few fruits that continues to ripen after it's been picked, thanks to the high levels of natural plant hormone called ethylene. So, if you are looking for a low-calorie, nutritious power punch, then add kiwis to your diet. That's all for this time. Please subscribe and hit the like button for more such healthy tips.